Isn't that a good breakfast, Messi? You're gonna lick the pattern off the plate if there was a pattern on the plate. Oh yeah, good breakfast. Is that good, Messi? Hi. Good morning. No sneezing. You like eating without sneezing, don't you? It's good. Going for the other tins. I've got one half empty tin and one empty tin. Mixing them together, and I put a medicine, a painkiller in with the food. That way I don't have to risk life and limb giving a dose of pain meds. And it seems to go down fine. As you can see, she's cleaning the bowl. So all the meds are going in, no doubt about that. Licking every last bit. It's a good breakfast, and a bit more, please. I'd like a bit more. What's in that one? You funny girl. Okay, let me see if I've got some in the other tin I can give you.